Do you have a weird looking log on your property like this called a tree fork? Well, get your chainsaw and let me show you how to turn it into your new beautiful garden decor. Okay, so I just did the circle around it and did an X. Now I'm just doing some more lines, just going in and out, cutting crisscross, all that, and then I'll smooth it out with the end of the bar after I get the depth I want. I'm just literally getting the big stuff. Obviously this would, if you're doing fine tuning stuff, this isn't the right sandpaper. It's way too coarse. But I'm just getting the bark and the junk that was on here, just kind of getting this stuff off, some of the stains or whatever, trying to go with the grain. And you could also do the edges with this, like around this bowl right here. Works well, like these. Just a more rounded. I already did a lot of roundness with the chainsaw. Helps with the edges that are more fragile, like this one. But with a chainsaw, I would just rip it like this right here. Okay, so I'm just putting on the Thompson's water seal. And you could do this with a sprayer or a brush. The main thing is all the cuts I did kind of have that driftwood effect. I'm making sure I'm going in those. Now what you could do is put little holders like this to hold the water in so it doesn't just leak all over. Like I got this holder, I think from Salad. I'll put in this bowl right here to hold that. There's like a peanut butter jar lid. I could do those, put those under to hold the water, excess water. Shaved out with the chainsaw.